A lot of you guys watching this show are obviously fishermen, and just like myself, a lot of us fishermen are also hunters, and to me, waterfowl hunting is what I live for. And when it comes to waterfowl hunting, just like fishing, boat control is very important. It might be coming to placing decoys, you might be in a river system. I like hunting a lot of late season, and with a lot of current, putting out decoys and picking up decoys can be very painful with the boat constantly drifting away. But one thing that you also get in the fall is a lot of wind. And a lot of times when you're hunting ducks, you're hunting emergent vegetation that comes out of the water, and when that wind's trying to blow you around or through that cover, it can be very tough to hold your boat where you want to be. And concealment is the #1 thing when it comes to hunting. And utilizing 2 power poles on my duck boat here, I can hide the boat a lot easier. I can position it just right, where I can have it turned a little bit offshore, where I can have all the hunters shooting the same way. And so utilizing my power poles for decoy placement, for putting out maybe a motion decoy, I can set the boat right where I want to be, put the wings on, drop it in place. It makes everything a lot easier, but most importantly, it helps me with concealment, and that's the most important thing when it comes to duck hunting. So just like fishing, you know, these power poles are a great tool we can have for duck hunting as well.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.